Welcome back to another episode of Cooking David Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how I made this nice good pepperoni hamburger pizza. Very delicious, easy to make. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, I'm going to add 1 1/3 cups of water. And I'm going to put this on in the microwave, warm it up to about 120 around that. Okay, we're going to put this in here. Stir this up a little bit. Put a little sugar. The sugar helps make it rise up. And I'm going to put this in the microwave so it'll activate better. Flour, all-purpose flour in here. With my salt. I got 2 teaspoons of salt. 1 1/3 cups of yeast. With my olive oil, extra virgin, 2 tablespoons. And then we're going to turn this on. Let this mix up a little bit. Okay, I'm going to put in my rest of my flour. All together you want 3 cups of flour, 3 1/2 cups of flour. And then just let this mix up. Okay, while our yeast is rising, we're going to work on the meat part. It's frozen hamburger meat. We're going to chop this down a little bit. We're going to put a little bit of seasoned salt with this. Help give it a little bit of flavor. Okay, we're going to put a little bit of salt. Salt on this. Oh, okay, now this is where we're at. So we turn off the fire because it's already done. Okay, that's what we're going to look for. Kind of punch it down a little bit because that kind of flake in. And we're just going to move this over here because we're just going to fold it in. Okay, what we're looking to do, trying to spread this out a little ways. What I like to do is also kind of it's kind of hard to do it in that angle, so keep playing with it. Okay, we're going to put a little bit of pizza sauce on this. Store-bought pizza sauce, figure it's good. And we're just going to smear this with a wooden spatula. Next, we're going to put some good old mozzarella cheese on this. Okay, we're going to put a little bit of hamburger on this. We're going to make it half hamburger and half pepperoni. This side right here is going to be hamburger and this side is going to be pepperoni. Okay, what I want to do is line these up like that. Okay, we're going to do a taste test on this, and well, we're going to grab this one right here. Do a taste test on that. No. No, absolutely. Anyways, I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And y'all have a blessing day.